Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is another Christmas one. This is the gingerbread knot. Let's go ahead and get started. Going to come over here. It's at my left side. The tip of my blade is at my belly button, belt line area as usual. Same spot. We're going to come in, just put in a dimple there, and we're going to come across over here like this. I'm going to come up and over, come down, and what we're going to do now, I'll walk you through this. We're going to come around here like this. We're going to come down like this. We're going to make this as tight as possible. Bring that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half like this. I'm going to bring this across. Come underneath here like this. Then I'm going to put my finger in here like this. Bring it down through here. We're going to create the head right there. So then what I want is when we went down like this, I want to kind of open this up. Then I want to open this up, put it down here like this. This can represent the arms over here. And then come back through this top loop here. I know my tie is dark, you can't really see the detail. That's why I'm walking you through it verbally. And we're going to come back and we're going to fold it in half, put my thumb in the middle, and we're going to bring it through here like this. Actually, let's just go through it like this, like that, fold it in half, and then let's bring it back down here like this. Let me put the collar down. So you're going to have this part right here, this tip right here, hanging out the bottom. And you more than likely have two loops coming out the top there. So just adjust it so you can see the head up here, and then this could be like the feet. And then you got the arms over here. It's interpretive. So there you have the gingerbread. So again, on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace and God bless.